ECMO is extracorporeal membrane oxygenator. It is like it's a heart-lung machine which can be used in intensive care. We have heard about heart-lung machines being used during cardiac surgeries for putting the heart and lung to rest so that the surgeon can operate. Those machines are quite bulky and can be used for a shorter duration. ECMO, which is called the membrane lung, can be used in intensive care for many days like a ventilator to take care of oxygenation to all parts of the body and removal of carbon dioxide, which is the basic function of the lung and to some extent the heart put together. So when a patient is on ventilator suffering from very low oxygenation, and the cause could be anything from severe bronchial asthma to a tumor in the trachea to water in the lungs, or viral diseases such as H1N1 or COVID, or it could be because of a pulmonary embolism, that is a blood clot has gone to the lungs and blocked off the gas exchange. All these patients become very critically ill, and in these patients what helps is to just achieve the gas exchange and give rest to the lung. So what ECMO will achieve is to give rest to the lungs, and while the lungs are healing, the rest of the body will get enough oxygenated blood. It is a specialized technique that we at Fortis Mulund are pioneering as a department. So at Fortis Mulund, we have an ECMO department so that we can reach out to any critically ill patient who is in any hospital and not able to maintain their oxygenation in time. Do reach out if you need help from us.